This is gonna blow your mind. Teeth whitening isn't just about brushing harder. Spoiler alert, there's a lot more to it. Let's debunk the myths about teeth whitening. No, you can't just use baking soda and lemon juice. Many people dream of having a brighter smile. But not everyone wants to look like a toothpaste commercial. It's no surprise that teeth whitening is a booming industry. Seriously, it's like the Wild West out there. But with so much information out there, it's easy to get confused and overwhelmed, and maybe a little paranoid. So, let's dive in and uncover the truth about achieving a dazzling, healthy smile without losing your sanity. It's important to understand that teeth whitening is not a one-size-fits-all solution. Sorry, no magic wand here. Different methods work best for different people. And no, you can't just mix them all together. Some methods are more effective, while others are gentler on sensitive teeth. Because nobody wants to wince every time they smile. Before starting any whitening treatment, it's crucial to consult with your dentist. Trust me, Google doesn't have a dental degree. They can assess your oral health and recommend the most suitable option for you. And no, it won't involve charcoal toothpaste. They can also identify any underlying issues that might be contributing to tooth discoloration. Like that coffee addiction you swear you don't have. Remember, the goal is not just to achieve a whiter smile, but also to maintain healthy teeth and gums. Because nobody wants a dazzling smile with a side of cavities. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, share, and follow for more tips on maintaining a healthy, beautiful smile. And stay tuned until the end for more insights. Subscribe to our channel for the latest updates on dental care and teeth whitening. Let's debunk some common misconceptions about teeth whitening. One popular myth is that brushing your teeth harder will make them whiter. In reality, this can damage your enamel, making your teeth more susceptible to staining. Another myth is that all whitening products are created equal. The truth is that the concentration of active ingredients and the delivery method can significantly impact the effectiveness and safety of the treatment. Some people believe that whitening toothpaste alone can dramatically whiten teeth. While whitening toothpaste can help remove surface stains, it usually contains a lower concentration of whitening agents compared to professional treatments. It's best to manage your expectations and consult with your dentist for realistic outcomes. Finally, some believe that teeth whitening is a permanent solution. Unfortunately, this is not true. Teeth can become stained again over time due to lifestyle factors like diet and smoking. Regular touch-ups and good oral hygiene are essential to maintain a bright smile. The science behind teeth whitening is rooted in the power of oxidation. Two common whitening agents, hydrogen peroxide and carbamide peroxide, are the key players in this process. These agents work by breaking down complex chromophore molecules that cause stains into smaller, less pigmented molecules, making the teeth appear brighter. Hydrogen peroxide, often used in concentrations ranging from 3% to 40%, is a powerful oxidizing agent that directly breaks down stain molecules. It's typically used in higher concentrations in professional dental offices under controlled conditions. Carbamide peroxide, which is used in concentrations of 10% to 44%, breaks down into hydrogen peroxide and urea in the mouth. This breakdown releases the whitening power of hydrogen peroxide more gradually, making it suitable for at-home whitening products. The concentration of these agents plays a crucial role in the effectiveness of the treatment. Higher concentrations typically yield faster and more dramatic results, but can also increase the risk of tooth sensitivity. When it comes to teeth whitening, you have two primary options: in-office professional treatments and at-home whitening kits. Both options have their pros and cons, and the best choice for you depends on your individual needs and preferences. In-office treatments offer the fastest and most dramatic results. Dentists use higher concentrations of whitening agents and often combine them with light or laser technology to accelerate the process. This method is ideal for those seeking immediate and significant whitening. At-home whitening kits are a more affordable and convenient option. These kits typically involve using trays filled with a whitening gel that you wear for a specified period. While the results may take longer to appear, at-home kits offer greater flexibility and control over the treatment. It's essential to consult with your dentist to determine which option is right for you. They can assess your oral health, the severity of your staining, and any potential risks before recommending a course of treatment. The science of whiter smiles. Teeth whitening is a popular cosmetic procedure that involves the use of bleaching agents to lighten the color of teeth. The most common agents are hydrogen peroxide and carbamide peroxide. These chemicals break down into oxygen molecules that penetrate the enamel and dentin, breaking apart the compounds that cause stains. Recent studies have shown that the effectiveness of these agents can be enhanced by using light or laser activation. This process accelerates the chemical reaction, allowing for faster and more noticeable results. However, it's important to note that not all stains respond equally to whitening treatments. Extrinsic stains caused by food, drink, and smoking are more easily removed than intrinsic stains, which are embedded within the tooth structure. Advances in dental technology have also led to the development of new whitening agents that are less likely to cause sensitivity. These agents often include desensitizing ingredients like potassium nitrate and fluoride to help minimize discomfort. Overall, teeth whitening is a safe and effective way to achieve a brighter smile when performed under the guidance of a dental professional. Always consult with your dentist to determine the best treatment plan for your specific needs. Section 6. The future is bright, exploring new whitening innovations. The quest for the perfect smile is constantly evolving, driving innovation in the field of teeth whitening. One exciting development is the emergence of light-activated whitening treatments. These treatments utilize special lights, often blue LED lights, to enhance the effectiveness of the whitening agents. The light energy activates the peroxide molecules, accelerating the breakdown of stain molecules and leading to faster and more noticeable results. Recent studies confirm that light-activated treatments can achieve significantly whiter shades compared to traditional methods. Another area of innovation lies in the development of gentler yet effective whitening agents. Researchers are exploring alternative ingredients and formulations that can provide noticeable whitening with reduced sensitivity and discomfort. As technology advances, we can expect to see even more innovative and sophisticated teeth whitening solutions that cater to individual needs and preferences. The future of bright smiles is indeed looking promising. Section 7. Whitening woes, risks, side effects, and safety tips. While teeth whitening is generally safe, it's important to be aware of potential risks and side effects, especially with overuse or improper use. Understanding these risks can help you make informed decisions and ensure a safer whitening experience. One common side effect is tooth sensitivity, which can manifest as a tingling or zapping sensation when consuming hot or cold foods and drinks. This can be particularly uncomfortable and may affect your daily eating habits. This sensitivity is often temporary and subsides once the treatment is complete. However, it's important to monitor the duration and intensity of the sensitivity. Using desensitizing toothpaste or reducing the frequency of whitening sessions can help manage this discomfort. Additionally, consulting with your dentist for personalized advice can be beneficial. Another potential risk is gum irritation, which can occur if the whitening gel comes into contact with the gums. This can cause redness and discomfort in the affected areas. This irritation is usually mild and temporary, but can be avoided by using properly fitted trays and carefully applying the whitening gel. Ensuring the gel stays on the teeth and away from the gums is key. In rare cases, overuse of whitening products can lead to enamel erosion, making the teeth more susceptible to damage and staining. This can compromise the overall health of your teeth. It's crucial to follow the manufacturer's instructions carefully and consult with your dentist if you experience any persistent or worsening side effects. Professional guidance can help you achieve the best results while minimizing risks. Section 8. Maintaining your megawatt smile, best practices for lasting results. Congratulations on achieving your brighter, whiter smile. This is a significant milestone, and you should be proud of your efforts. Now, let's focus on making those results last. It's essential to adopt a consistent routine to maintain that radiant smile. Maintaining a dazzling smile requires a multi-pronged approach that combines regular dental care with lifestyle adjustments and smart product choices. This holistic approach ensures that your teeth remain bright and healthy. First and foremost, prioritize regular dental checkups and cleanings. These visits are crucial for removing plaque and tartar that can dull your smile. Your dentist can remove surface stains, monitor your oral health, and provide personalized advice on maintaining your whitened teeth. They can also recommend specific treatments if needed. Next, pay attention to your diet. What you eat and drink plays a significant role in the appearance of your teeth. Certain foods and beverages like coffee, tea, red wine, and berries are notorious for staining teeth. Being mindful of your consumption can make a big difference. Limiting your intake of these culprits or rinsing your mouth with water after consumption can help minimize staining. This simple habit can go a long way in preserving your smile. When choosing oral care products, opt for whitening toothpaste and mouthwash formulated to gently remove surface stains and maintain brightness. These products are designed to support your whitening efforts. Look for products containing low abrasion levels to avoid enamel erosion. Protecting your enamel is crucial for long-term dental health. Finally, remember that patience is key. Achieving and maintaining a white smile doesn't happen overnight. Maintaining a white smile is an ongoing process that requires consistent effort and smart choices. Regularly following your oral care routine is essential. By incorporating these best practices into your routine, you can enjoy a dazzling, healthy smile for years to come. Your commitment to these habits will ensure lasting results. Your journey to confidence. Updated with the latest scientific data, teeth whitening is now more effective and safer than ever.